pangako ko sa'yo ang
Nagkakilala kami through Tinder. So, may forever sa Tinder. Nagka-match kami, tapos eventually, naging kami na hanggang ngayon, kakasal na kami. So, okay naman. Saya naman.
I remember the first time I met you before work, holding a book I bought for you. When I saw you across the street smiling at me, I knew right then that you were someone unforgettable.
pati ang buwan di masungkit.
Tinder ko to
Bituin ay mapaparam.
Hindi ko alam paano siya nakarating kasi taga Bulacan siya, wala siyang alam sa Manila. Sinaman siya nung best man niya, lumuwas. Nagulat na lang ako, ando na siya sa tapat ng office namin. Sinurprise niya ako with my favorite book, galing kay Agatha Christie.
Huwag ka sanang mag-alinlangan, magtiwala ka, pati buhay ko sa'yo'y ibibigay. Mahal,
Mabait siya. Hindi siya sanay mag-sorry pero may mga ginagawa siyang bagay na pag nag-sorry siya alam mong nagsasorry siya.
Very maasikaso, very Disney princess. Gusto ko kasi yun yung naaasikaso ko, ganyan. Napaparamdam niya sa akin, mahal niya ako, ganyan, special ako. So yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya.
Gusto ko din pag inasar niya ako. Kasi alam ko na yun yung way niya na sabihin na mahal niya ako.
ngunit pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay tunay.
Always choose each other together. Maraming tao, marami kayong mga kaibigan, marami pang darating ng mga kaibigan. Every minute of your life, kahit puputi na po ang mga buhok ninyo, dapat everyday pipiliin ninyo ang isa't isa.
Andito na tayo, tagal natin tong inantay. Alam ko namang madami na tayong napagdaanan. Eventually, nakaya naman natin at alam kong makakaya pa natin. I love you. See you later.
Magiging mas better ako as a person, as a husband, and sa magiging future family namin na alagaan ko sila sa abot ng makakaya ko. Wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit.
Wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Looking back, I thought I'll spend my life looking for my missing piece. But then, I met you. You made me feel complete. You love me the way I want to be loved. There's not a day where I thank God for letting me meet you.
I promise to love you every day, on the easy days and the difficult ones. I promise to choose you always and to protect your heart and to keep showing up for us no matter what life brings.
Han, we both know how indecisive I can be. I'm not good at making decisions, but if there's one decision in my life that I know is right, it is to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, Han.
We're not perfect and we will never be. Being with you made me realize something. Love isn't about the easy days, it's about choosing each other even when it's hard. And so, honey, Han, mahal, lalab. I love you now, the way I love you then, and the way I will love you for the rest of my life. Yeah.